Activating your xFi pods is easy with the Xfinity app. We'll guide you through each step. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Xfinity app, version 12.5 or higher, installed on your device. Next, open the app and log in using your Xfinity username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Network tab in the app menu. In the Network tab, select Add Devices and then choose xFi Pods from the options. The app will prompt you to plug in your xFi pod. Look for the blinking light, which means it's ready for setup. The app will automatically scan for your pod and guide you through the activation process over Wi-Fi. If you have a weak signal, the app offers troubleshooting, including Ethernet backhaul for a wired connection. Remember to activate only one pod at a time. Proper placement is crucial for xFi pods to effectively extend your Wi-Fi coverage. Position pods in open areas, midway between your Xfinity gateway and any dead zones. This floor plan shows optimal pod placement with coverage circles, demonstrating how one or two pods can cover different home sizes. Avoid placing them near metal objects, microwaves, or thick walls, as these can cause interference. The diagram illustrates common interference sources and ideal placement zones in a typical home layout. Use the Xfinity app's built-in signal strength meter, which leverages your phone's sensors to test different locations. The app interface displays connection testing and signal strength readings for real-time feedback. Aim for a 30 to 50-foot radius of coverage per pod for the best results. The app's xFi Auto Optimize feature, powered by AI, can also suggest optimal placements based on a scan of your home using augmented reality. This AI-driven feature will increase the quality and speed of your xFi pod's Wi-Fi speeds and coverage.